Hello guys, welcome you once again. In the last video, I've showed you how you can use if and else statements in C++, and today I'm going to show you how you can use for loop to make a C++ program. I'm going to start the program to make a program using for loop. Here I have to write the longer paragraph about the program, so I'm going to use this asterisk and the slash sign. To this program is to find the product multiplication table table of any given number. This program includes the for loop whose syntax is first you'll write here. I'm going to write in the single quotes. You'll write here for. You do not have to write here this quote. You only have to write here for, and you'll put the bracket to use the for loop in the program. You'll put the syntax. First part is called initialization. I can betterly write it in the next paragraph. You'll write here for and put the bracket, and first is the initialization. And you'll put the semicolon here, and second you will write it contains three basic parts. First is the initialization, and second is the condition, and put the semicolon again. Every part is separated by a semicolon in the for loop or any other loop. Initialization, condition, and lastly you'll write here the increment or decrement operator and you'll close it. This is the basic structure for using the for loop in the C++ program. This is the basic structure you can use to use the for loop in the C++ program. Now I'm going to start the program. First I'll close it, otherwise it will put and you will not able to execute your program. And now I'm going to start the program. I'll write here hash include sign iostream dot h and close it, and you'll write again hash include and open it, and you'll write here conio.h. as I've showed you that these are the two basic structures you use in any C++ program. Write here void main. You can also write here integer main, and I have already told you what is the basic difference between using the void main and integer main in a C++ program. And here you are going to start the program. Write here clr scr and this, and put the semicolon. Every function under the main function will be executed by a semicolon. Write here int. I'll take a variable here and another to use a variable, and I'll take another variable to use as a variable for loop. I'll write here I and execute by. Now I'll write here cout put the insertion operator and enter the first number, or enter the number simply. It can be number. It will be there and executed by a semicolon, and write here sin and put here the insertion operator, and I'll write the variable here as n. I'll taking the variable here as the n, and which is read a value which will be you enter in the C++ program. I'll execute by a semicolon, and now I will write here and use the for loop on which the program is mainly based. The for loop indicates the in a C++ program. Here I am going to use the for loop to find the table multiplication table of any number. Now I'll write here for loop. Here I'm going to use the for loop here. Right here for, and I have told you that first we have to write the initialization. So I'm going to write here I equals to 1, and I'll put the semicolon, and I'm going to write here the condition. I've showed you that the second part of using the for loop contains the condition which is used to execute a program. The loop will run when till the condition not is fulfilled. When the condition will be fulfilled, the loop will already be closed. Right here I equals to, I'll write using the multiplication table up to 10. So I'm going to write here either equals to and then or equals to 10, or I equals to 10 simply, and put the semicolon again, and I'm going to write it I and use this increment operator here because I'm going to write it 1 2 3. If I'm going to write here 10 9 8, then I will use their decrement operator and put the I equals to 10 and I equals to 0 here. That's why. Okay, I'm going I plus plus, that is increment operator. You know about it very well. Now I'm going to start it. Every function included in the for loop will be like when we start a program, we write the curly bracket, and in same thing when we use the for loop or any if or else statements, we start that with the curly brackets. So I'm going to write here cout I equals to I into n, and close the endel and put the semicolon here. Close it to 10, and I'll write here get ch and put the semicolon. I'm going to close the program. I have written the program here and I'm going to compile it now. Click here the compile, and it is written is up to date. Yani it means that it is completely compiled, and I'm going to run it here right now. Run it like I've written there cout enter the number, so it is presenting. I've told you that when we write cout, the object, the thing which we write in the double quotes will be presented when we go on the screen after running the program or after executing a program. Suppose I wanted the table of 9, so I'll write here 9 and then put, and then it sorts the 9 to the 18 27. The for loop here runs as I equals to 1, then it puts the I equals to 10 or smaller than 10, then I plus plus, then I equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 1 plus 3. According to that it runs, and the for loop, the number is multiplied by the I till the condition not fulfilled, that I equals to or smaller than 10. So thank you for watching this video, and if you